पास आई नहीं आपके ऑफिस में, आप उसके ऊपर मार्किंग कर देंगे, जवाब भी बन जाएगा, पेश भी हो जाएगा। ये होता है आपके कार्यालय में। आपने पुलिस से सीखा है कि पुलिस ने आपसे सीखा है? ये बता दीजिएगा अपने अधिकारियों को, इस तरीके से धूल झोंकने की कोशिश ना करें अगली बार से। मजाक बना रखी है बिल्कुल से। कम्युनिकेशन के लिए कोई प्रोसीजर नहीं है, डायरेक्टर कह रहा है और एसपी कह रहा है कि हम ऐसे भेज देते हैं, यूजुअली नहीं करते, लेकिन कोविड था। आप मरे हुए आदमी को तो सड़क पर से उठाते नहीं है, अस्पताल भेजते नहीं है घायल को। एप्लीकेंट अंशुल ठाकुर, after arguing at length and when informed by Shri Mphighcourt, studied panel lawyer, that the DNA profile received from, recovered from the articles J, Exhibit J and K, namely Asiya and jeans pant of Anshul Thakur, contains same profile which was recovered from the sari of the deceased. Praised for withdrawal of this application. Accordingly, same is dismissed as withdrawn. Next slide. On as far as affidavit filed by the Director FSL and Superintendent of Police Jabalpur are concerned, I am not satisfied with the affidavits. Police. There were twin issues involved, namely whether samples can be sent to FSL without there being any official communication, only on the basis of a handwritten note which has been subsequently identified by the Director FSL to have been sent by one Shri Katholia, Dr. Kamlesh Katholia. And second, that when police personnel Jharia had deposited, क्या नाम है झारिया का पूरा? कमलेश झारिया had deposited articles. ऐसा मत करिए. संतोष झारिया had deposited 6 articles which were taken by him for examination to RFSL Bhopal and had not brought them back. Then how exhibits were marked from A to Q on the articles which were never brought back. Full stop. Next slide. Shri Abhilash Kumar Mishra, Sub Inspector, son of Shri S.D. Mishra, SHO Police Station, Majori District, Jabalpur, has filed an affidavit dated 4th July 2022, in para 6 of which it is mentioned that return material exhibit A to K within bracket 11 from RFSL Jabalpur and returned material exhibit A to F within bracket 6 bracket closed from Bhopal had been combined and new list of exhibit in FSL draft was formed, which is A to Q. Full stop. The exhibit A to F was numbered as L to Q. The collected material, that is new FSL draft, was sent to RFSL Bhopal for DNA examination. Next slide. Contrary to this, Shri Siddharth Bahuguna, learned SP Jabalpur, SP Jabalpur has mentioned in his affidavit that due to peak of corona in June 21, samples were sent only upon the note of the investigating authority of the PI Majoli, on which office of the Superintendent of Police acted upon. He has admitted that, in para 3 of his affidavit, para 3 of his dated 20 August 2022, that normally there is no provision to send the documents on the basis of unsigned note. Full stop. The explanation given for forwarding a note by the SP on an unsigned note allegedly received from RFSL Bhopal is not proper, and such kind of explanation can only be said to be cryptic, having no basis, and it was not expected of a senior Indian Police Service within bracket All India Service bracket close officer to file such a cryptic affidavit which is devoid of substance. Full stop. Similarly, Director FSL Shri Shashikant Shukla, son of Dr. O.P. Shukla, has mentioned in his affidavit dated 18/8/2022 that has advised in para 4 that there was no codified procedure or order available that the person who is analyzing and is making appropriate suggestion is to sign the aforesaid document along with date, etc. Full stop. This explanation is not acceptable. There is no next para. There is no denial to the fact that Forensic Science Laboratory Bhopal is a government department. It functions under the Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of MP. The state government has detailed instructions for official communications, and these instructions have been codified from time to time. Therefore, affidavit of Shri Shashikant Shukla that there were no codified procedure or order available reflects that he is unaware of the official procedure in regard to making communication with another department or for intra-department communications. Full stop. All these communications are to be numbered. They are to be registered in the inward-outward register. Name of the person to which they are addressed is to be mentioned. Acknowledgement of the messenger is to be taken, and messenger in turn is required to take acknowledgement of the party to which communication is delivered. Full stop. Thus, it is next para. Thus, it is evident that both the Director FSL and SP Jabalpur have tried to cover up the matter in an unethical manner on an affidavit which is a serious matter. Such senior police officers are not expected to behave in the manner in which they have sworn in their affidavits. That shows total lack of responsibility and lack of knowledge about official procedure which is to be adopted while making communications. Full stop. Let this aspect be brought to the knowledge of the Director General of Police, Additional Chief Secretary Home, Chief Secretary State of Madhya Pradesh, and also to the notice of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Academy, where police officers are trained, that how the senior officers of the police department are trying to place incorrect material before the court, and that too on an affidavit, and appropriate action be taken against the deponents, affiants by the concerned authorities if they deem it, if they feel that they have some responsibility towards the court. Let this direction be complied with by the Director General of Police and the Chief Secretary of the State within 30 days, and both the officers, that is the Director FSL and SP Jabalpur be deputed for appropriate training so that they may learn the procedure which they should have learned before filing this affidavit, filing respective affidavits. Government advocate is directed to forward copy of this order to the Director General of Police, अच्छा इसको SVP पटेल हटा दीजिए, इसको कर दीजिए to the Secretary, Government of India, Home Department and Ministry of Personnel. उनको पढ़ने दीजिए, उनको मालूम पड़ेगा उनके अधिकारी क्या करते हैं. Along with the copy of the affidavits sworn by them and the order sheets of this court, so that complete reflection can be, complete material is available for the authorities to reflect on the gravity of the situation. रख दीजिएगा, ठीक है, बता दीजिएगा अपने अधिकारियों को, इस तरीके से भूल चूकने की कोशिश ना करें अगली बार से.